Squares of numbers from 50 to 59. Consider the tens digit alone, which is 5. So 5 square is 25. So write 25. Write the numbers after 25, that is 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now consider the ones digit in 50 square, that is 0 square is equal to 0. So write 00 after 25. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Similarly, continue up to 9 square. For more detailed sessions, join our UG entrance exams courses or job recruitment courses.